If you like burgers, sandwiches, pancakes, or let's face it, any kind of truly delicious food, you may be surprised to find out you don't actually need a big old stove or grill to make them. In fact, with today's product, all you really need is a counter, an electrical outlet, and some basic cooking skills. And I definitely have at least 2 of those. Let's take a look. Hey guys, it's Kate with Abt, and in this video we have the Breville Sear and Press Grill. Now this may look like your average panini press, but this is actually multiple appliances in one. You can use it as a press, a grill, a barbecue, or even a griddle. It has a beautiful stainless steel finish and 1500 to 1800 watts of power, so trust me, it is gonna get your food cooked. On the base, there are 3 pre-programmed settings: panini, burger, and sear, which makes cooking for any of these options fast and easy with just one tap. But if you'd rather set your own heat, there are 2 temperature dials, one to set the bottom plate and one for the top. Then there are 2 indicator lights to let you know when your Breville is preheating and when it's ready to go. The 2 plates are non-stick ceramic, which is generally considered better for that nice browning effect. And they're natural non-stick, so there's no PTFE or PFOA, which if you don't know what those are, they're chemicals and they're gross. But these plates sure aren't, because not only do they have a no-mess moat to make sure your food doesn't spill, there's also a removable drip tray as an extra fail-safe. And when the plates do get dirty, they're easily cleaned by hand or just pop them out and wash in the dishwasher. They're also reversible, so you can go from griddle to grill with just a flip. The top plate's tilt is completely adjustable, so you can use it as a press or lay it out flat for barbecue mode. That'll give you 240 square inches of grilling surface and the ability to grill at 2 different temperatures simultaneously. It's great for steaks, seafood, burgers, pancakes, eggs, or really anything your heart desires. So basically, if you have some meat that needs some heat, this is one product that can't be beat. Okay, that was a terrible, corny rhyme, but the point stands nonetheless. If you'd like to check out the Breville Sear and Press Grill, be sure to drop by our Glenview showroom, visit us online, or give us a call to speak with one of our experts. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.